welcome back to Katy's Eyes. I want to thank everybody for your support, so please continue to share my videos, like, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now today I want to show you how, despite my blindness, I can still cook up a meal. So you want to see how I make chicken Alfredo? Keep on watching. So what I'm going to start doing is chopping up the vegetables for the chicken while I have the water boiling. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So I have the onion here. What I'm going to do is I put my hand next to where I'm going to cut. That way I don't cut myself. And I just kind of start chopping, but I kind of let my hand guide the knife. So that way I know where the knife is going and I don't have some Katy's fingers Alfredo. So I'm just gonna chop it. Now I want the onion in small pieces. So I'm just gonna get it together and chop around. And I'm gonna cut this green bell pepper. I'm just gonna get a little piece because I don't want a big piece. So I'm just gonna start chopping like this. I hate cutting this. Like I said, I know it might look like I get my finger, but I'm not. I still have all my fingers, so all my years of cooking, I haven't chopped anything yet. But with my luck, maybe you guys will be the first ones to see that. Okay. The same thing, I just kind of want small chunks. Sometimes I hold the vegetable like between my fingers, how I'm doing it right now. So I know to cut like in between my fingers, so kind of like this. Alright. So I think that is good. So I'm just going to leave this to the side. So I think I'm good there. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the pasta and the boiling water that I have boiling. Wash my hands. And I wash my hands a lot while I'm cooking because, like, I see pretty much with my hands, so I have to feel everything that I'm doing, so I wash my hands a lot. I'm just going to dry them. So right now I have it high, I'm going to move it low a little bit. And I always have my ingredients right next to me because that way I don't like look around for it. So I'm going to add a box of the penne pasta. Usually I use the classic Alfredo pasta, like the strings, but today I feel like using penne, so I'm going to add that in there. Oops. And I'll add a little bit of salt. Now with the salt, I always add it in my hand first. That way I know how much I'm putting. So I add it in my hand. And then I kind of feel with my other hand how much I got. So I just want a little bit. So I'm just going to put like a couple pinches. And usually I always have like seasoning left over. So I usually pour it down in the sink. So that's what I'm going to do. And wash my hands. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the chicken. I already defrosted and everything. So again, the same thing. I'm doing bite sizes, so I'm just going to follow my hand like this. And I don't like to use a big knife when I'm chopping because then it's harder. Since I have little hands, I don't know, it's just easier for me to use a little knife. So I'm just going to slice it into pieces like this. And then I normally kind of feel with my hand. And if I want it smaller, I'll go in and chop it smaller. Okay, so now we're going to start the cooking. So I have the pasta boiling. So what I normally do, what I have to do to check it is, I try to grab one pasta and just kind of poke it. And it actually feels like it's ready. So let me Put to the side, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drain this in the sink. Now let's start cooking our chicken. So, I always kind of feel with my hand if it's how hot it is. Obviously, I know if I have it not too hot, I won't like do that. And I'm gonna put oil. So I just kind of. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour the vegetables in. And I'm gonna use a spatula. I have this little thing, like a scooper for the vegetables. And I'm just gonna saute my veggies. I'm glad you can't taste these because I don't like vegetables, especially cooked vegetables. Not a fan. I think I'm gonna add the chicken. So I'm just kind of like gonna pour it in a little bit. Yummy! Sorry. And then with the spoon, I kind of like my hand. I'm gonna make sure that there's no chickens like piled up on top of each other. That way they all cook. Alright. So I'm gonna let that cook. Put that in there. Just make sure I have it on medium. Now I'm gonna make the sauce. So, if I can't open it, this is so embarrassing. Babe, I need you to help me open the jar. Baby.
Bloopers.
Oh my god, I can't open it. Alright, so I got my jars open, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making a sauce. So, I have to be very detailed with everything that I do because I can't see. So I can't see if something's ready. I can't see where I'm cutting. I can't see how much I'm putting. So I really have to focus on smell to see like if it smells like it's cooking, like if it's ready. I have to definitely depend on touch. I have to feel everything. When the vegetables are done and I get a little piece, does it feel like it's ready? Does the chicken feel like it's ready? Where am I cutting? And smell, touch. So I'm really excited for this channel, guys, because I'm starting to feel more comfortable and being open about letting you guys how to see through Katy's eyes, how I do things. And like I said, if you guys have questions, if you guys want to see, you know, the simplest thing of how I put toothpaste on a toothbrush. Did you guys ever think how I would be able to do that? I'm sure no one thinks that because everybody automatically just puts the toothpaste on the toothbrush. So if you have little questions like that that you think of throughout your day, feel free to, you know, go to my Facebook page, Katy's Eyes, send me a message, comment. Okay, so I have my empty pan here, my empty pot. I'm gonna pour the pasta in here, the chicken, and the sauce. So I'm gonna grab the pasta to pour it in here, okay? And we're gonna mix everything together. Okay guys, so my pasta is ready to be served. So I hope that my family is hungry because the food is ready. I hope you guys learned a lot, and make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to share, you guys. And like I said, I just want to be open with you guys, show you who I am, how I do things, and you know, get to know one another. So I'll see you guys next week. Remember, every Monday, come back to Katie's eyes so you can see through my eyes.